everybody, Somewhat Girly here for the next unboxing, which is going to be the pop pack from Stickii Club for the month of August 2022. Yep, we got the blue one, we got the pop pack. All the details for this are going to be down in the description below, and we're going to get to opening this. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. Oh goodness, that was hard to open today, wasn't it? Okay. Some items feel like I think it's too big, so either it couldn't fit or it fell out. Alright, so you guys are going to get the sneak peek right there while I toss aside this envelope, making sure nothing's in it. Bloop. Front and back. Now, let us take out our theme sticker and find out what... Alright, this is strange. Thirsty. So, I think last month we had like a whole tea thing, if I'm not mistaken. So we're drinking again. Maybe it's coffee this time. I don't drink coffee. I don't like the taste of it. Next is our additional item that had been clear stamps, but now is showing up some sort of vinyl thing. I want to say it's a sticker. Oh, it goes this way. But I have yet to get the backing to come off to see if it really is a sticker, because for some reason it is super thin and this papery backing won't come off for me. Zoom zoom. So what do we got here? We have got something I'm going to have to zoom a little further on. It's definitely a mug, and it has a neat shape to it, although you probably couldn't get your finger into that. And then this looks like the night sky just coming out of it, which is pretty cool. Plus we've got some gold foiling. Who doesn't love a gold foil? All right, our notepad that had disappeared from the pack. Listen, you. I put hand lotion on before my video because, you know, hands are getting a little wonky. Summertime is drying them out. Now, this is the right way. So which way am I facing? We got some cups. Alright, I am facing the right way because this is the bottom. It's quite a bit. And there is some more gold foiling. I'm thinking coffee. Ooh, I like the tattoos on her arm. On their arm. We don't presume. Was there a maker's mark on the back of this? Yes, there was. Okay. Alright. Alright. Then we're going to go for the stickers. I don't know if they said they were going to switch out the packaging for more sustainable packaging. I don't know if they have yet because it feels the same. Well, the front's kind of smoother. I don't know. Not a clue. I'm going to have to look at some of the old packaging. All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we've got 7 sheets here, and I'm going to start with this one. If I uploaded the cute pack first, you will see my surprise in the fact that we now have double the amount of washi tape. Before this, if you'd seen any other videos of mine or anybody else's, we only ever got like 1 sheet of washi. Like 1 sheet sized of washi. I'm gonna have to zoom to see what we're looking at here, because to me, oh, there's cinnamon buns. No, not cinnamon buns, cappuccino. Cappuccino designs. Okay, so they're all the same, so I'm just gonna go through one here. What kind of coffee do you like to drink? Do you drink coffee? Are you old enough to drink coffee? Questions can be answered right below. Alright, I'm going to keep it zoomed in a little bit so I can take a sneak peek at these sticker sheets. Now, these are usually like the gift card stickers or whatever you want them to be, but you can write on them. Ooh, that's nice. Now, because they're so large, there's only 3 on this. Usually we get a lot more, but I don't mind because they're larger. And you could probably write more stuff down on them. There's our branding. Oop, I forgot the branding for the other one. Looks like they had an in-house artist do these. So there's no branding on that one. Okay. Next. Ugh, they're like a little bit stuck together. There we go. Okay. I'm going to have to get a little closer. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. This is too close. There we go. Alright, it looks like soda machines with different kinds of flavors. So there's another different kind of drink. That wasn't English. It's okay. But these are adorable. I wish we had a lot more vending machines here. If you don't know, I live in America, where everything is peachy keen. Oh, that's cute. But like definitely to have like vending machines all over the place. There's our branding. These are adorable. Especially the kitty. I'm partial to kitties. Not their fault, it's mine. Oop! I saw some gold foiling when I picked this up. Pretty much everything is some sort of gold. It looks like more. Oh, this goes with our notepad because there's the arm with the tattoo on it, or henna. I love the darkness of it, like, you know, dark roses, dark snakes. Like it feels otherworldly, but at the same time normal. Normal. Because you know what? There's nothing wrong with snakes. Nothing wrong with dark roses. Nothing wrong with black cats. Nothing. Wow. And this was done by an in-house artist. So no mark. Next sheet. Alright. Ooh, smoothies. I could go for a smoothie. That is terrifying. A little bit. I'm not a fan of clowns. Not for the normal reasons, honestly. Hey, there's a tea bag. That'll make me happy. These are strange, but at the same time, really cool. Things are all Salvador Dali-ish, you know, like the bendiness of it. There's our branding. I like that one. That one's actually really cool. Okay, this one's kind of a thick one. It's holographic. Cartoony. I see cartoony. Maybe not anime, but definitely cute. So happy while drinking. If it tastes good, why not? Hey, there's me with my juice box, my glasses. These are adorable. Does it say moon cheese? Oh, I love that. I love that. That's great. This feels more like washi paper. And we've had ones like this before where they were like little animals in little scenes inside of the drinks. It was a while ago, though. A while ago. I have a friend who really loves bubble tea. I have yet to try it. I have tried a canned version from the store, but I feel like I should try out a more fresh version of it. There we go. Cute little face right there. And our last sheet, which looks like it just has all types of mugs on it, which I would absolutely love to have all types of different mugs. I don't drink enough out of mugs, though. Oh, I like that one. Oop, there's our little sticker, I think. I don't know. Oh, I like the mushroom mug. I like that. I like that star one, too. Is that a little glittery? Yes, it is. Foiling. Anybody knows what a niffler is? Oop, there's our maker's mark already. Before we get to... Oh, acorn. Fall is coming. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, I miscounted the first time. There are 8 sheets. There are. This one was the one that was stuck that I didn't get a chance to... that I didn't get a chance to count because it was stuck. So, what do we think? I really enjoy this pack. Even, like I said, even though I don't like coffee, I I like the smell of coffee, and I like coffee related things. I'm just not a drinker of coffee. So what do we think? I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, weekend, month, year, life. You know the drill. Bye.